Hi guys, today we talk about Realme V60. It's launched on June 2024. The Realme V60 height 6.42 inch, width 2.98 inch, thickness 7.9 mm. The weight is 192 gram and the build front glass, plastic back and plastic frame. The display of this device, it's come with IPS LCD with 16mm color and the screen size is 6.67 inches with 85.2% screen to body ratio. The resolution is 720 and the PPA density is 264. The refresh rate of Realme V60, it's come with 120Hz refresh rate with 900 nits peak of brightness. The screen protection is not available. And the platform of Realme V60, it's come with Android 14 operating system. The chipset is MediaTek Dimensity 6300 6nm and the CPU is octa-core Cortex A76. The GPU is Mali G57. The memory of Realme V60, it's come with 6 gigs and 8 gigs of RAM and 128 to 56 gigs of ROM, and it supports micro SD card too. The camera setup of Realme V60, it's come with single camera setup. The main sensor is 32 megapixel wide and auxiliary lens too, and it's record 1080p 30 fps video. The front selfie camera is 8 megapixel and it's record 1080p videos too. The battery backup of Realme V60, it's come with 5000 mAh battery with 15 watt fast fire charging, and it could not support wireless charging and reverse wireless charging. The commands and the features: the Realme V60 come with Wi-Fi 6, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, speakers, USB Type-C, fingerprint side mounted, NFC, UFS 2.2 and IP64 dust and splash resistant. The price of Realme V60 is $200.